Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning conversation. Today, we are going to talk about hurdles in life.
Yes, hurdles means challenges, problems, and struggles. We all face them, and today, we will talk slowly, clearly, and with emotion, so you can learn English easily.
Good morning, Mia.
Good morning, Arad. How are you?
I am okay, but my mind feels heavy today.
Heavy? Why? What happened?
Sometimes, life feels difficult. Sometimes, I feel like I am running, but not reaching anywhere.
I understand. Many people feel this way. Life is not always easy.
Yes, life gives us hurdles.
True, but hurdles are also teachers.
You know, Maya, last year I failed an exam. I studied hard, but still, I failed. It felt painful.
I can feel that. Failure hurts, but sometimes failure is not the end. Failure is the beginning.
At that time, I cried. I felt weak.
It is okay to cry. Crying does not make you weak. It shows you care.
Yes, after some time, I tried again, and slowly, things changed.
Let me tell you my story. When I was younger, I wanted to become a dancer. I practiced every day.
Wow, that sounds beautiful.
Yes, but during a performance, I fell and injured my ankle. Doctors said I may not dance again.
That must have broken your heart.
Yes, I felt lost, but then I realized I can teach dance, even if I cannot perform.
So you changed your dream, but did not give up.
Exactly.
Sometimes, when I face problems, I ask myself, why me?
I also did the same, but with time, I learned to ask, what can I learn from this?
Soft voice, that's powerful.
Yes, because hurdles teach patience, strength, and courage.
So Maya, what should people do when life becomes hard?
3 things. First, pause and breathe. Second, accept the problem. Third, take small steps forward.
Small steps.
Yes, even a small step is progress.
I like that. Small steps can lead to big change.
Arad, do you know what the strongest word is?
No. Tell me.
It is hope.
Hope.
Yes, because hope is the light, even in darkness.
So, even if life is difficult, we must keep moving.
Yes, slowly, steadily, but never stop.
Sometimes, the biggest hurdle is our own thinking.
Absolutely. Sometimes, we say to ourselves, I can't, I am not good enough, I will fail.
Yes, I do that.
Instead, say, I can try, I am learning, I will improve.
Words are powerful.
Yes, words can break us, or build us.
So Maya, what is your message to people facing hurdles?
My message is, do not fear challenges, do not fear failure. Every challenge makes you stronger, every failure teaches a lesson.
And my message is, your journey is unique. Take your time, believe in yourself, and never give up.
Thank you for listening to this slow English conversation.
We hope it helped you learn new words and new feelings.
Remember, hurdles are not the end, they are part of your growth.
Keep learning, keep growing, and keep moving forward.